Well, I'm working on vGraph again. Yeah, like I said yesterday, working on edges. The most interesting thing I found today, or problem I had to solve, was I'm essentially proxying or wrapping Tinkerpop's blueprints into vGraph. So I'm taking their vertexes and translating those into nodes and their edges into vGraph edges. And in doing that, there are a few methods that I need to implement, such as getEdges. So I say, okay, here's a vGraph node, I need to get edges, and that returns in Java an iterable, which has a get instance which returns an iterator that you can use in for loops. So because there could be a massive amount of nodes, I don't want to suck everything in and translate it and then spit it back out. I want to do it on the fly. So what I had to do is make a little proxy wrapper for iterable and iterator, which was kind of fun. So we create this edges from nodes iterable, and what we do is we pass in the Tinkerpop vertex, the direction we want to go, and a list of labels, and we create a new iterable, a new Tinkerpop iterable, and then that iterable we return, and then when that is called, it has one function, iterator, that returns a new edges from node iterator. And this is a nice little private class that has access to this iterable, and it implements the iterator. And all it does is proxy stuff straight through. So hasNext just calls hasNext. Next just returns a new edge, and it just grabs the next thing off the iterator. And the interesting thing, another interesting thing, is they have this remove method. Now in the actual Javadocs, this is marked as optional. And in vGraph, we are not allowed to remove nodes and just yoink them. We have to clear their hash out and mark them as deleted. So I'm not sure if I want to allow this at this point. If I did, I would essentially need to perform an update to this particular edge and mark it as deleted so it gets picked up in the next commit. So again, I'm not sure if I want to do that or not. I haven't decided. So mark it with the to-do, commit it. Don't worry about it for now. Yeah, you also see coverage. Code coverage is a beast when you're trying to get to 100% for an open source project, but it's good because you can do a refactor and hit test and know that everything is still kosher. So tomorrow I'm hoping to find some time. I have stake conference. And for my church, I'm a clerk, so I kind of have to go and do clerky things like taking head counts and whatnot. So I'm hoping it's going to be all afternoon and evening. So I'm hoping to find some time, but we'll see. So take care.